running a little bit more smoothly.
Yes.
Topped off all 4 tires, and so temperature changes can cause tire pressure to get a little bit low. So I topped it off, all 4.
That's weird.
Yep. Yeah, I have both of my jump starters are also air compressors. So.
And Mark, can you give me some of that money out of your income tax refund?
I can't, because it's all dedicated already for this and Dixie. So I have to stick
But
to that.
I waited a long
Yeah, I
time
can't.
for that.
This has to be done.
But I have to be done.
I know, but
I don't understand that.
So no, you'd have to do it monthly. So
No, you
I
said
can't. No,
it would take 10 days
Well,
to get it, or 20 days.
Well, right, but it's going to be monthly.
I know.
It's going to be monthly.
Oh, I know, yeah.
The bank will send it out on the 1st of every month. You'll get it by the 10th of each month.
Oh, they will send it out on the 1st.
Yes.
Okay, I thought you said you wouldn't turn it in until...
No, I've already programmed it.
Oh, okay.
So,
okay, I see. And that's the $60.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Well, okay, yeah. And the dude's coming. You haven't canceled
No.
it.
Nope.
And you're not going to cancel it.
Nope.
Okay. Well, I'll just have to be patient then. Can you take me out to the payday loan place, though? Okay. Because I'll have to go out there to set up a payment plan.
Yeah, I should be able to do that.
That's on the 3rd, and I don't know what day that is.
Yep. I think the 3rd is, I'll look later, but I think it is a weekday.
Yeah, I think so too.
Like a Monday or Tuesday, I believe.
Okay. Well, we'll get that straightened out. I don't remember if I have to make a payment on it.
They don't usually charge you a payment then. I don't believe they do, but if you have the option to do that, I would say go ahead and get a jump start on it.
I don't know if I can, if I have the money. Well, yeah. We'll have to go to the bank too to get the money, and that's kind of running around a little bit.
Oh, that's not that much.
We'll
just pull
I'll let you know.
Oh yeah, for that we can just pull up to the drive-through ATM.
No, I don't want to pay ATM fees.
There's no fee when we go to your bank's ATM. They don't.
Don't I have to go inside?
Nope. If we're just pulling out cash, not doing anything else, getting money orders, we can just go to the.
I have to get a money order for my rent.
We can stop at Walmart for that.
Would that be cheaper than doing it all at once? In terms of time and money?
Well, actually, it would be best to get it all done at once. So when you stop at the bank, how much do they charge you for a money order there?
I don't remember. They charge me $3, I think.
Well, Walmart is 70 cents, but at the same time, if we do it at your bank, we get it all done at once.
I don't see why they charge me. Because I'm a member there. There's no benefit to being a member.
Yeah.
To me. And that's been a complaint of mine. But anyway, never mind about that. Okay, we'll just go to